June 3rd, 2020. We received a distress signal from the New Candor facility.
By T.W. Pennington. Available now. Dangerous love. Sequoia and Slade are drawn to each other, but have only made love with words.
It has been said that time takes a toll on us all. There's no escaping it. Where once these women were youthful, gorgeous, and happy,